Hello, how are you? Today we discuss about English learning course from zero level. Before starting or learning or studying English, we know about what is English and English language. What is English? First of all, we know about English definition. English can refer to several things: a language, a people, or subject of study. English is a noun, is the name of language, subject, and person. It is an adjective because it has been taken from England and it shows the features of England country or UK country. English is a noun, the language of England, widely used in many varieties throughout the world. English is adjective, relating to England or its people or language. Simply, we know that English is a noun, adjective, person, or people and language. Now, English language. Here is the detail about English language. English is a West Germanic language that developed or first spoken in early medieval or Middle Age in England. Now it is a global language. It is an international, global and dynamic language, also known for multiple languages. It is the primary language in countries like United Kingdom or Britain, UK, countries like England, Scotland and Ireland. Also spoken in Canada, United States of America, USA, Australia, New Zealand, and an official language in many countries. It is the third most common native language in the world. Now we discuss about remaining part about English language. English language. It is an official language in many countries like Nepal, India, and several African nations or countries. In the world, approximately 1.5 billion people worldwide speak English, making it the most widely spoken language globally or internationally. This figure includes both native speakers and those who use it as a second language. Now, use of English or English language for international communication, in education and research, on the internet and technology, in business and jobs, in movies, music and media, in government and legal system. Now, importance of English or English language. It is a global or international language. It connects people worldwide. It helps in a career and education. It is useful for traveling in any kind of traveler situation. Now last, importance of English or English languages. It is needed in international events and international programs. Thank you. Sorry for any mistake.